Hey guys, here's a quick little video on potential causes of why your engine dies when it's raining or in wet weather conditions. Figuring out car issues is like a Sherlock Holmes mystery. You have to deduce all the possibilities until you get down to one. And by doing this, you should always start with the easiest and cheapest methods first before going to the major and expensive options. There are many reasons why your car might shut off when it rains or when there's a lot of moisture in the air. On my particular car, a 2001 Daewoo Matiz, it's obviously a really old car, so the components in the engine bay may be rusting, leaking, cracking, or quite simply need replacing. What I had noticed on several early morning startups, especially if it had rained or was lightly raining, the car would struggle to stay alive after a couple of minutes and just shut off, leaving me stranded by the road. After waiting for about a few minutes, the car would start up again, no problems. Now, one of the best things to do first that won't cost you any money and is easy to do is to check your car at night somewhere where there's very little light, maybe in your garage or dark parking lot, and you want to have the car running, and pop the hood and take a look inside. It should be so dark that you can't really see anything because what you are looking for are any sparks. Listen for spark sounds or any visible sparks coming from electrical components. Most likely you will find it and the source. In my case, I found it loud and clear at my ignition coil. I had that part replaced for about 40 bucks, and also the wires because they tend to rust or crack over time or become sensitive to moisture, causing those sparks and the engine to short out and die. After I got the ignition coil replaced, I have zero issues now driving in the rain. If that's not it, the next place to check is your secondary ignition system or the distributor cap and spark plug wires. Now, new cars won't have distributor caps, so you may not need to worry about that. Now, here's a little tip when your car dies due to rain or wet conditions and you are stuck on the road or somewhere thinking your car is dead. Before you call the tow truck or some services and pay through the nose, just wait about 10 minutes. During that time, the heat in the engine bay will allow for some moisture to evaporate and components to dry up again, and you should be able to restart your car even if it's still raining. From there, you should be able to get home safely and then take care of it on a sunny day and take it into the shop. Hope this helps anyone. If you've got any questions, feel free to comment down below. I'll do my best to answer. Also, don't forget to give a like, share, and subscribe. It helps me out. And until next time.